So how do you add a widget to your desktop? Well, if you have a Mac that's running Sonoma, you now can add a widget to your desktop. So what is a widget? A widget is a little part of an app that gives you information very quickly. So let's take a look at a widget. So if you right click somewhere on your Mac desktop, and then you go ahead and click on Edit Widgets, what you will see is this box that pulls up. On the left hand side, you have a bunch of items you can pick that can become a widget. Over here in this area, you have a lot of different kinds of widgets. You can search for a widget if you know what you're searching for in this search box. Or you can just pick one right here. So let's say, for instance, I wanted a calendar widget on my desktop. I can just go ahead and click it and drag it to where I want it. Conversely, there's a plus sign right here. Maybe I want to hit the plus sign. It will automatically add it to my desktop. When you look at your desktop and you click somewhere on it, you'll see a kind of like a impression that is pulled out from the rest of the screen. This is the area for which you can put a widget in. When you click on that area, most windows will disappear except for the widgets. When you click on the blank area again, you will have your regular desktop back. Now, if you want to go ahead and add another widget, right click, hit Edit Widget. It will pull up the window again. And let's say I want to look for a clock. Now I have a clock. Selections that I can choose from. Click on the selection. You can either drag it to where you want it, or you can just click plus and then drag it to where you want it. These are grids. As you see, when I move it, it tells me I can place it here. And so I have. These are how you can add widgets. You have different kinds of widgets for different kinds of things. Just that simple. There's also different sizes of widgets. Some widgets are wider than other widgets, and you can place them accordingly according to the grid pattern. Also, let's say, for instance, I had an app opened up. Let's just actually pull up a drive. Now, as you see, these widgets turn into a gray format to not be distracting, as you have your current window that you want to focus on here. But let's say, for instance, I want to look at these widgets here in their full color. All you have to do is click on this desktop somewhere, and now you see them in their full way that they're supposed to look. And the item I was looking at has jumped off the screen. If I want that item back, I just click somewhere on the desktop and it pops right on back. So this is how you can have widgets on your desktop. I hope this was informative for you, and if it was, please leave a comment down below letting us know how you like this tutorial. And if you did like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet and you want to see more of these in the near future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.